Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be in the know. Also in that same area, there is that thumbs up. That's important for the growth of a YouTuber, so that's where you guys come in. If you enjoy the content, please take a second to hit that thumbs up. It will turn blue, the number will increase, and that's you helping True Ones get noticed on this huge platform. So I'm thanking you in advance for that thumbs up. Okay guys, this is the end of the day for me. We had a video that I did earlier in the day. I don't know when this video is going to go up, probably not on the same day, because yesterday I got my Ipsy PR and I got my Boxycharm Luxe that I pay for, that I would put those both up. It was a full day yesterday, and then today I was lucky that I got my A1A with the Keys, Alicia Keys bundle. What a treat. So if you haven't seen that video, I really recommend that you do. It's very informative. I go through everything with you. I used it on my face and really enjoyed it, so it's one that I would definitely watch if I were you. But later in the day, we got a second box that came, but it was one of these plain boxes. And that usually means that it is coming either directly to our company, which is Improving Lifestyles, but this seemed really small for that. So I knew that this was possibly for me, and it could be my second order from Boxycharm's Mega Bundle. If you did not see my first Mega Bundle, that's another one that I would highly recommend that you watch, because it had a lot of eyeshadows and things like that in it, where this one ended up being something that I wanted, and then I ended up with the same issue that I told you in that one. So if you haven't seen that video, I'll give you just a small little recap on this. This is a Luxe month. So during Luxe months on my channel, what I do is I get 2 base boxes and 2 premiums. With the Luxe month, you get pushed up from your base to your Luxe. You don't get a base box. That's why I started that second account. It was when I started a channel, I wanted everybody that if you didn't get the Luxe, you would still be able to see the base on my channel. So that's how it started. Then Boxycharm started with their choice items and all that, so I ended up keeping it. So now I get 2 base and 2 premiums, but during the Luxe month, I only get 1 base. And I become spoiled because I never really had to make a decision on choice. There's usually a couple of choice items, so I would choose one for one box and one for the other. But this month they had so many fantastic choices in reference to the base box that I was only able to choose one. And what I chose for myself was the Opera blush palette, because that was something I was going to buy directly from their website. It was so beautiful. I saw a bunch of girls who get PR open it up, and it was definitely on my wants list right after that. Then I was hearing rumors that Boxycharm was going to have it in one of their boxes, so I put it aside and didn't buy it from the website. And then lo and behold, here it is, and it was available, and I was able to use it as my choice item. Then there was an email that came down from Boxycharm, and I always wait to the end of the sale when it's not something that it's like do or die. If I get it, great. If it sells out, I'll get it next round type of thing. But I always wait to when all my boxes arrive. And that's usually when I choose what I want to get in the sale. But there was an email that came down closer to when it was going to be closing that they wanted to give a reminder out to people to use their $10 coupon. So I went through my email and I couldn't see any of this $10 coupon. So I wrote through the bot. Customer service wrote me back and said to send them a screenshot. Because I have 2 accounts, I did one for one account and one for the other. I already showed you on the previous what I bought with that $10 off. And then during Mega Drop Shop, there's also $25 minimum for the free ship. So I knew that there was a shampoo and conditioner that I wanted to try, but that was on sale for $14.99. So there was really nothing else that I needed or wanted. But and they also took about 2 to 3 days till they got back to me about that $10 coupon. So I had time to really go in and really pick and choose and see what I wanted to do to get it to that number, and then be able to also purchase something a little extra as a gift for myself because of that $10 coupon. When they finally sent down the $10 coupon, we were down to 2 days left of the sale. So what I ended up getting, and I will share with you right now what that is. So I decided I would try, because this was a choice item that I didn't get to choose, from Rare Beauty. This is a brand that has really been impressing me. This was $12. Normally it's $26. They're saying it is a cooling water-based gel primer that smooths, hydrates, and illuminates our skin to prep for our makeup that looks and feels its best all day. It is an ultra-fine pearl that gives skin a soft, lit from within glow. Apply 1 to 2 pumps to clean, moisturize skin, blend in with your fingers, then follow with foundation or concealer. It says if you feel like skipping makeup, try this primer on its own. It's made with ultra-fine pearls that bounce light to create the look of a more even skin tone. So the reason I didn't choose this as my choice, first of all, Oprah 100%, but it was gonna be, if I had a second box, that was gonna be my second choice. It was between this and a hair product. And I decided I would try this simply because I've been so impressed with the brand, but what was pushing me away from it was that it was illuminating. And I have to get out of my head the difference between radiance, illuminating, and oil. When you're a combo girl, you hear those words, those adjectives, and it makes you stay away from that. And then I started to, because we got them in the boxes, I started to play, and I wanted to test consistencies and feel about it, and so that I can also give a review on it. And then I started realizing that I like this illumination. And this is also nice if you're just going for a walk around the block and you want to protect your skin from all the pollutants and everything that's out there, and give all your skincare a chance underneath to stay where it should stay. I sometimes take the walks with a big pair of sunglasses, my lip balms and my hat, and I will put this on top of my skin. And it really left my skin feeling smooth, soft. I'm talking other ones because I haven't had the opportunity to try this one yet, but the radiance that comes off of this really gives your skin this healthy look from within. So I'm really, like I said, if it was a choice and I had the second box, I probably would have chose it. So when I had that free $10, I decided I will give this a whirl. Like I said, I enjoy Rare Beauty, so that's what I ended up doing at that one. The next one was the one that was also a choice item, and I really wasn't sure. And then I said, you know what? Because of having to reach that $25, I treated myself to this. This was $12. It was $34. I also did my research before I purchased this because I have time, because I don't purchase right at the beginning. Reviews on this were through the roof on Sephora. And this one says, meet the ultimate frizz fighter. It is a heat-activated technology that wraps an invisible shield around each hair strand to provide frizz resistance. It leaves a super glossy, silky finish without weighing your hair down. It will last through 3 washes and protects from hair heat up to 450 Fahrenheit. It says how to use it: for use on damp skin for best results. Do not apply any other pre-styling product. Begin with clean towel dried detangled hair. Work in clean sections and spray generously from roots to the ends. Comb through, evenly distribute it, and then to activate and seal in the formula, blow dry throughout and finish with your flat iron or your hot tool of choice. That is how I do my hair anyways. So the fact that this will help with the frizzies, I'm living now in a very humid environment, and my frizzies are having the time of their life. A lot of times, before I even come back from a walk, I have to then pass my hair through again, because the moisture from the humidity just puffs up my hair so much. And I have a lot of hair, so I try my best to keep it, tamer, but really excited to have the opportunity to try this. And everyone said the scent on this was phenomenal. So all I did was take everything out of the box. I take a picture for my Instagram for True Wants too, but then I sit down here and I review all the products with my notes that I print out and leave on the table, but I don't go through anything until I'm sitting here with you guys. So this is all like brand new to me. Oh, this is stunning. This is so beautiful. This is a fresh as well as feminine at the same time. Oh, that is going to be nice. That will be nice. Oh, cannot wait. Okay. Now, what started all this that I knew I wanted to get, and this was one of those deals that I shared with you. And if you're not familiar with my channel, I try to do a lot of spoilers, and I try to do a lot of If there's daily deals when we do the Boxycharm, I try to do those ahead of time so that I'm able to plan how much money I want to spend. And then if there's certain daily deals, those are the days that, you know, I'll place my orders, and especially when there's a free ship. And then if these don't sell out on the day of, they are available to us after that day. But I have been reading so much about this R&Co, and I'm seeing it a lot, you know, in FabFitFun and the add-ons and things like that. And I have so many shampoos that the last thing I needed was another shampoo and conditioner to try. And I actually just finished a drugstore one from Influencer. So if you haven't seen that video, that one I would definitely watch as well. This one blew me away. So that L'Oreal one, I was shocked. So this was already purchased way before I got that Influencer package. So this one here is one that I'm going to be trying. Like I said, it was a smoothing shampoo, so I thought that was going to also help with the hair. And I always wanted to try something from R&Co. And this is the BelAir Smoothing Shampoo and Antioxidant Complex, as well as the conditioner. And what it says the BelAir Smoothing Shampoo, I paid $14.99 for both. They're saying this is like a $60 value. And they're saying, keep it luxe with BelAir. This cleanser is enhancing with powerful smoothing properties, specifically designed to lock in serious silky overall look and feel. And they're saying it will glam up with a second step into the BelAir conditioner for a smoother and straighter hair. Use the BelAir Smoothing Shampoo first for best results. So that's the pair that I ended up getting. And it simply says how to use, apply a small amount of the shampoo to the middle of your hair and work through to the roots and ends. Follow with the BelAir conditioner for even smoother, straighter hair. And again, it says this is also for the conditioner. Apply at mid-length and work through the roots to the ends. So in total, don't forget I had that $10 discount. So I was able to use that. So I paid $12 for the primer. I paid $14.99 for the shampoo and the conditioner, and I paid $12 for the Liquid Glass Miracle. It was a $38.99. I had to make sure that I was at least $10 over that $25 to be able to take that $10 off. So I did that. There was tax of $2, and there was that $2 handling fee. So in total, this whole package for all of this cost me $33. So like I said, the values are definitely there. The hottest, newest products, the Rare Beauty, as well as this DryBar liquid glass. These are brand like spanking new in the makeup and hair care world. So I'm excited that we get an opportunity to get it at such a heavily reduced price to be able to try it. And then this was on my radar for the longest time. But like I said, for me to go out and buy more shampoo is the last thing I needed. But I definitely, when I saw it for $14.99, a $60, I decided I would give that a try, because I also tried another one from Boxycharm, this Ultra, and I also ended up getting I got that in one of my boxes, and I replenished because I was so impressed with that shampoo, and I replenished it, and I also got it as a pair for $14.99 in my last mega bundle. So like I said, if that $10 coupon didn't come down, I probably, you know, would have let it pass, because I wasn't going to, you know, this was only $14.99 and I wanted to get to that $25. But then I remembered that there were a couple of those choices that I didn't get to choose, and that's how we ended up here. So that's my second box. Hope you guys will have the opportunity to share in the comments down below if you've had the opportunity to try any of these products. And if you are familiar and enjoy this R&Co, I would love to know that as well. And that's it for today, guys. So take care, everybody. Continue to stay safe and well, and I will see you all soon in my next video. Bye for now.